Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is endeavour. It's pronounced Endeavour, and it is spelt Endeavour. Think end, then the letters E and A, and then vor. Endeavour describes the action of trying to do or achieve something. Did you know that there have been 12 ships in the British Navy which were called the HMS Endeavour? The most famous of these ships was the HMS Endeavour of the 1760s. It became famous after its South Pacific voyage under James Cook, which resulted in huge advances in European scientific knowledge. It was the first European ship to reach Australia. Travelling to Australia remains quite the endeavour. Endeavour can be used as a verb and a noun. You could use endeavour as a verb by saying, I endeavour to always tell the truth. Or you could use endeavour as a noun, meaning an attempt to achieve a goal. For example, you could say, it was a huge endeavour to get the triplets dressed and ready to play in the snow. Endeavour is defined in the dictionary as an attempt to do something. Endeavour's synonyms include try, attempt, venture, undertake, aspire, and effort. Antonyms include idleness, inactivity, and laziness. Are you planning on undertaking any endeavours today? It could be something big, like climbing a mountain, or something small, like reading a book or doing well in a spelling test. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.